Hey everybody, this is Sherry with CPR, Craft, Pray, Repeat. And before I go about showing you how I did the wax seal, which turned out really cute, by the way, and I'm not sure if my light is picking up what it says, but it says for you, and it's really cute. And you can read it really well. It's very crisp. But I wanted to show you one more time what came in the kit. And it comes with this little metal spoon where you melt your wax. It comes with 10 different colored waxes. All of them are very pretty. It comes with 2 little tea light candles. And then it also comes with your stamping tool. Okay? I just love it. I really do. I'm very happy with this set. And there's the engraving right there. And I will be back in 1 minute to show you how I did it. I'm going to share with you how I do a wax seal, and I've got my phone over here so we can time how long it takes to melt the wax. I used 3/8 of an inch of a piece of the wax that came on the stick. That's how much I put in the little bowl. And I have the candle over to the side because I didn't want it directly under my camera, so that's why it's kind of right at the very edge of the screen. But I wanted you to be able to see exactly how long it took to melt the wax and exactly how long it took for the seal to set. And I have what we call in my house, they're called boo-boo bags. And it's just a fabric bag that has rice in it, and it's been sewn closed, and it stays in my freezer so that if somebody needs to put ice on something, they can use it. Well, I found that I do much better with my wax seals if I have something to keep the metal seal part cold. So off screen, my metal stamp is sitting and on top of that cold bag, which is going to make it go a lot quicker when I place it in. Now I could take it off in about 10-15 seconds, and if I was doing a bunch of them, I probably would do it that way. But to just do 1 or 2, I like to leave it set until the entire seal is set, and I'm not going to mess it up if I accidentally bump it with my finger or something and smear wax on my, envelope. And so I'm just using a piece of paper here. You can tell it takes around 3 minutes to melt the entire piece that I have, and then I'm going to show you how long it takes for it to set up. When you pour it, try to keep what's coming down, the liquid wax, in the center of the circle. If you do that, you're going to have a better chance of getting a round circle and not something oblong or kind of cockeyed. And there's my metal seal, and I just push it in, and I leave it in for about 30 seconds. But like I said, I could have taken it out earlier. I'm just, rather safe than sorry kind of person. And but I was really tickled with this wax because they do have wax that you can mail, and it's malleable wax. It bends, it twists, and so I had tried this earlier to make sure I knew how long it was going to take and everything. And so I decided to pull those off and check them out, and I was really surprised. I was able to bend it, twist it, and it didn't crumble or fall apart in my hands, which is really nice. And I am going to try to mail one out with the wax on it, and I will let you know in a future video how it holds up. And I will try to, when I do that video, I will try to link it in the future in the description box for you so that you know how it went, because nowhere in the description does it say that it's mailable wax. But I will let you know. Here it is. I'd already bent it a couple times, and I'm twisting it, and it worked great. So I was really, really happy with this wax set. Alright everybody, remember to practice your CPR, Craft, Pray, Repeat. Thanks for visiting me today, guys, and happy crafting. I love you all. Thank you so much for helping me grow my channel. It means the world to me. Bye. It worked! Yay!